Hey there, guys. Today, I'm going to share with you some powerful steps on how to take control of your mind and your life. You know, life's a lot like social media. Sometimes it throws stuff at us that we really don't need. Here's the good news. You've got the power to change it. You wouldn't sit through boring TV commercials, right? So why do you do the same with your mind? If there's negative or useless stuff on your social media feeds, it's time to hit that unfollow button. So spend 10 minutes today cleaning up your social media. Unfollow pages or people that don't add value to your life. Instead, follow pages that inspire you, teach you, or just make you feel. Be mindful of what you consume. Over 90% of what we feed our minds can be controlled. It's time that we choose wisely. Make a list of books, podcasts, or videos that can help you grow. Dedicate at least 15 minutes a day to consuming that positive content. And challenge yourself. Challenges push us to grow. Invest in challenges that help you learn and expand your horizon. Join a challenge or create a personal 30-day challenge that focuses on a skill you want to develop or a habit that you want to change. Social media can be a double-edged sword. Use it to your advantage. Share your journey or something positive on social media. It can be a workout, a book you're reading, or a personal victory. It could be inspiring to somebody. Remember to embrace continuous learning. Remember, the highest level of achievement comes from constant learning. Identify areas in your life you want to improve. Find a course, a mentor, or a community that aligns with your goals and get involved. And most importantly, set clear goals. As a marketer, influencer, or a leader, it's crucial to have clear goals. What impact do you want to make? Write it down. Write down your top 3 goals for the next 6 months. Break them down into small, manageable steps and start taking action today. And remember, people that you surround yourself with can greatly influence your success. Reach out to someone who inspires you and do it this week. It could be through social media, email, or even in person if you have access to them. And the key to your growth is consistency. Every morning, spend 5 minutes reviewing your goals and the steps you need to take that day to get closer to those goals. So in conclusion, guys, remember that your mind is your king and you are the king. Control what enters and you'll be amazed at how your life transforms. Now go out there and conquer the world one positive step at a time. Thank you. Have a great day.